Hello everyone, Sanjana here. Today I am going to explain few basic points about the chapter area related to circles. So as we are talking about the circles, first of all I want to tell few basic points about circles. So first of all, what is a circle? Circle, it is a round shaped figure which has no corners or edges. It is a circle with center O. Now, I want to discuss few terms related to circles. First one, radius of a circle. It is the distance from its center to the point of a circle. For example, when we consider a circle, OA is the radius of a circle and OB2 is the radius of a circle. So here, a point to remember is all the radii of a same circle are equidistant from the center. Circumference of a circle. Perimeter of a circle is called as the circumference of a circle. When we consider a circle, this is called the circumference of a circle. It is given by the formula 2 pi r, where pi is the constant term and r is the radius of a circle. Chord. It is a straight line which joins two points on the circumference of a circle. When we consider a circle with center O, here AB is the chord of a circle. Diameter. It is the chord passing through the center of a circle, and a point to remember here is diameter is the biggest chord of a circle and diameter is twice the radius. Arc. It is the part of a circumference of a circle. And we have two types of arc, that is minor arc and major arc. So as we know that this is the circumference of a circle and the part of it is called as an arc. Here APB is minor arc and AQB is major arc. Area of a circle. It is the area which is enclosed within the boundary of a circle. So when we consider a circle with center O, the area which is enclosed within the boundary is called as the area of circle. And it is given by the formula pi r square, where pi is the constant term and r is the radius of a circle. Semicircle. Half of a circle is called as a semicircle, and we have two semicircles in a single circle, and the angle is 180 degree and both constitute 360 degree, which is a full circle. The formula to find the area of semicircle is half into pi r square. Half because semicircle is half of a circle. Quadrant. It is the quarter of a circle, which means it is 1/4 of a circle and the angle is 90 degree. And the formula to find the area of quadrant is 1/4 into pi r square. 1/4 because it is the quarter, that is 1/4 of a circle. Sector of a circle. The region enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc is called as a sector of a circle. So when we consider a circle, the area which is enclosed by the two radius, here OA and OB are the radius and the APB is a arc, and the area which is enclosed by the two radius and this arc is called as a sector of a circle. And the formula to find the area of sector of a circle is theta by 360 into pi r square. Here we have took the area of circle because sector is part of a circle. And when we have to find the area of arc of a length of a circle is given by the formula theta by 360 into 2 pi r. 2 pi r because It is the part of a circumference of a circle. Segment of a circle. It is the region between the chord and the corresponding arc. So when we consider a circle, here AB is the chord and APB is the minor arc, and the area which is enclosed by this is called as a segment of a circle. And we have two types of segments, that is a minor segment and major segment. And to calculate the area of minor segment, the formula is area of sector minus area of triangle. So when we consider a circle with center O, we have OA and OB as radius, and the corresponding arc is APB. So this is a sector of a circle. So when we subtract area of triangle from this area of sector, we will be getting the area of minor segment. Major segment. So in order to find the area of major segment, we have to subtract area of minor segment from the area of circle. So here AB is a chord and APB is a minor segment and AQB is a major segment. In order to find the area of major segment, we have to subtract area of minor segment from the area of circle. So this is for now. Thank you.